Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I will show you how to add a user in your Google Analytics step by step. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. So first of all, log into your Google Analytics and on the dashboard, scroll all the way down to admin. Click it. And next, you will see those three columns. Under the middle column called Property, find Property User Management. Click it. And here you will be able to add a user. Simply click this blue plus icon, add a user, and then add email address. Tick to notify the user by email so they know that you have added them. Then you can select which elements they can access. So you can decide whether they can create and edit views, filter goals, collaborate and edit shared asset, can view reports, the read and analyze. This is the basic settings and this is enough for someone to look into your Google Analytics, review it, analyze it, but don't change anything. You can also grant access if they can add or remove users as well. However, it's only for advanced changes. So read and analyze default settings, and this is enough for your SEO analyst to access your Google Analytics and read the data. When finished, simply click Add. Then they will receive an email notification that they are added to your Google Analytics, and that way they don't have to log into your own account. They can access your data through their own Google Analytics account. So this is the safest way to give someone permission to read your Google Analytics account. If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye!